In this video, we are going to show you how to download and install Python on Windows. Additionally, we'll create a Python tutorial for Windows notifications. In the Google search bar, type Python. Open the python.org website. In the Downloads section, click on Windows. Click on the button under Python for Windows. A file with 𝐋𝐚𝐭𝐞𝐬 extension will start downloading. Run the file as soon as it finishes downloading. This will open up an installation wizard. Enable the python.exe checkbox at the bottom. Then, click on the Customize Installation option. Here, make sure all optional features are enabled. Go back to the initial installation and click on the Install Now option. The setup process will take a few seconds to complete. Here, you'll be able to see the setup was successful and Python is now installed on your system. To see it, type Python in the Windows search box and click on the Open File location. Here, you can see Python is installed and this is the location where it is installed. Open the command prompt and type Python -- version to check which Python version is installed. Open the Python app from the Start menu and here, you can see that Python is working perfectly. Now we'll create a Python program for showing notifications on Windows. For this, type Python in the Windows search box and click on the Open File location. Then open IDLE, that is, Python's Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Here, paste this Python code and save the file. For Windows notifications, you need to install the plyer Python library. To do this, open the command prompt and enter pip install plyer. Within a few seconds, the plyer will be installed successfully. Let's have a look at the Python code. Here, we have defined a function called showNotification. It's a water drinking reminder, so the title of the notification will be this. And this is going to be in the message section of the notification. You will get a notification after every 300 seconds, that is, 5 minutes. We have left a link to this code in the description box, you can get it from there. To run this, go to the File Explorer where this code file is saved. In the top address bar, type cmd. This will open the command prompt. Here, type the Python name of the Python code file and hit enter. You see we have received a notification in the panel on the right. Check the current time. The new notification will come after 5 minutes. You see we have got another notification. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.